and welcome back to Black Excellist. In this special multi-part series, we will highlight the only Black-owned billion-dollar bank, Liberty Bank and Trust.
Welcome to Black Excellist. This is where we celebrate Black excellence, achievement, and affluence. Our mission is to inspire you as we enlighten you.
African Americans hold less than 30% of the nation's wealth, although we make up 13% of the population. The racial wealth gap is widening, meaning that Black households hold significantly less wealth than white households. And the situation is getting worse. But there is a situation to reducing this disparity. Black-owned banks will certainly play a crucial and critical role. Black-owned banks will provide the much-needed financial services and lending to Black consumers and Black businesses that are often underserved by traditional banks. Furthermore, Black-owned banks offer a range of financial services, including savings and checking accounts, loans, and investment opportunities to the local communities when they are denied by the major banks. And a bank that has been investing in local Black communities while promoting economic growth is Liberty Bank and Trust Company. Liberty Bank, headquartered in New Orleans, Louisiana, is the largest African American Black-owned bank in the United States, with assets totaling over $1 billion. And let's be clear, Liberty Bank is a certified Black-owned bank, which is much different than a billion-dollar Black-led bank. So let's talk about Liberty's humble roots and leadership. Founded in 1972 by Dr. Norman Francis and Alden McDonald Jr., the African American businessman's goal was to counteract the discriminatory practices by traditional banks. Since its chartering, the Black-owned bank has been laser-focused on service, integrity, and a sincere interest in community and business development. Since African American communities are often denied access to capital, mortgages, and other financial products, Liberty Bank and Trust saw an opportunity to create a financial institution that would play a critical role in providing financial services and access to capital for African American individuals and entrepreneurs in the South. Alden McDonald Jr. has served as the bank's CEO and president since its inception, and his strategic vision and hard work have been crucial to the success of the bank. Under his leadership, the bank has grown to become one of the most successful banks in the country, growing from a mere $2 million in 1972 to over $1 billion some 50 years later. In addition to his work at Liberty Bank, McDonald has been a proponent, community leader, generous philanthropist, and has been recognized for his contributions to the African American community in New Orleans and beyond. Among many of his accomplishments, he played a central role in the establishment of the Black Economic Development Council, helping many minority businesses secure public and private contracts for goods and services. But Mr. McDonald has decided that it's finally time for a major passing of the torch. He and the board of directors of Liberty Bank and Trust Company announced in April 2022 that his son, Todd O. McDonald, would be named the bank's president. They are confident that the younger McDonald is prepared to lead the billion-dollar Black-owned bank well into the future, while upholding the company's mission to reduce Black unemployment rates, increase Black home ownership, stimulate financial literacy, and promote economic development in Black communities. For a long time, it didn't seem that any of Alden's 3 children would follow in their father's footsteps. But Todd finally came around after finally grasping the importance of his father's legacy. Taking over the helm of the iconic financial institution at the age of 41 years old is no small feat, but Todd can lean on his education, being that he has a business management degree from Morehouse College. He has an MBA from Northwestern Kellogg School of Management and even earned a graduate school of banking degree from Louisiana State University. But his hands-on experience at the bank and working alongside his dad since 2003 will prove to be his most valuable asset. McDonald has held numerous executive positions at Liberty Bank and was selected to serve on the bank's board of directors in 2017. Most recently, he served as an executive vice president of corporate strategy, forging national partnerships that have produced several new revenue streams in excess of $30 million. Todd McDonald is excited about the opportunity and is committed over the next 50 years to Liberty's legacy of helping Black people build generational wealth. But as the bank leadership transitions from father to son, how did the bank get to where it is now? To really understand how, we have to go back through its list of acquisitions. Liberty's first acquisition was in 1982 when it successfully completed its first acquisition a Fidelity Homestead Association, a savings and loans association that had been in operation since 1908. In 1986, Liberty Bank acquired United Bank and Trust Company, a bank based in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, further diversifying its asset base. In 1995, Liberty Bank acquired Covenant Bank, another New Orleans bank that specialized in the mortgage lending sector. Liberty then moved into Mississippi in 2003, acquiring First American Bank in Jackson. In 2004, Liberty Bank added Gulf Coast Bank and Trust to its portfolio, a bank based in Houston, Texas. In 2007, Liberty Bank acquired Home Federal Bank, expanding its asset base as well as its Louisiana reach. This was followed by expansion into the greater Kansas City market with the acquisition of Douglas Bank in Kansas City, Kansas, and Kansas City, Missouri in 2008. Liberty Bank expanded across greater New Orleans with the 2009 acquisition of United Bank and Trust Company, securing 4 additional locations to serve that market. That was followed by the acquisition of Home Federal Savings in Detroit, Michigan, which increased the bank's reach to 6 states. In 2013, Liberty Bank entered the Chicago market with the acquisition of Covenant Bank of Illinois. And in 2015, the bank expanded to Montgomery and Tuskegee, Alabama, through the purchase of First Tuskegee Bank. In 2020, Liberty Bank and Trust expanded into Louisville, Kentucky, through the acquisition of Metro Bank. And in 2021, entered the Memphis, Tennessee market by acquiring Tri-State Bank of Memphis. Tri-State Bank was Memphis's highest profile Black-owned financial institutions, and the partnership gave Liberty Bank access to the better technology and suite of more products and services to offer their customers and borrowers. A byproduct of the union empowered Liberty access to enough capital to expand its loan limit from about $1.2 million to $5 million for qualified borrowers. And this acquisition is the move that officially made Liberty Bank the largest Black-owned bank in the US, with over $1 billion in assets. After 5 decades of serving the community, Liberty Bank and Trust has expanded its operations to include 18 branches across 9 states. Liberty Bank's growth has been the result of acquisitions, incredible leadership, fruitful partnerships, aggressive marketing, strong management, and the trust it enjoys in the community. It all adds up in an efficient, well-capitalized institution that is perfectly positioned to continue fast-paced growth in both profits and assets. If you're not in a state where Liberty Bank currently operates, your state may be next. Liberty has developed technology that allows people to use their banking services nationwide, and the Liberty leadership team is well positioned to move quickly on any potential acquisition opportunity.
We appreciate the fact that you stayed until the end. Thank you for spending time with us, and don't forget to like this video. Also, make sure you subscribe so that you never miss a video. Bye for now. We will see you tomorrow.
Like we're not going anywhere.